Let's start the Rev exercise. Stretch your arms in front again. Clasp your hands together so that one thumb is over the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now switch to your other thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now switch to your other thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Rotate your shoulders in a wide circle and relax. Stretch your left arm forward with your hand facing the ceiling. Grab your left hand with your right and pull towards your body. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Switch arms again and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Place your hands palms outward on your lower back and pull your shoulder blades inwards and then out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring them down. Up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders in a wide circle and relax. Fold your hands together above your head, palms facing upwards. Place your right foot one step behind your left foot and lean to the left. Now place your left foot one step behind your right and lean to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feet in the same position, now lean to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lean your upper body to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders in a wide circle and relax. Place your hands on your waist and rotate the hips. Place your hands on your waist and raise your left leg to the side. The same for the other leg. Use a chair for balance if you need to. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax your legs and hip joints. This concludes the Rev exercise. Let's make today another healthy and revved up day.